how difficult is it to juggle between business and your passion? I mean, is it very easy to manage both of the careers together?
It's never easy. It's a tough place to be, and but as long as your mind is focused and your heart is focused, then you can get it right. You can get both the things right.
I love you. You were so much of inspiration. Well, I'm going to actually leave up to the faculty here. The media faculty is right here. They are requesting you to ask a lot of questions. They want to know more about you, about your work, about how fit, how is that you're looking so fit and stunning there. So they're up to you. I request the media faculty to please raise up your hand. Whoever wants to ask a question, the star is right here.
Anybody?
Yes.
What are the various genres that you've covered in this album?
So we've done Main Hui Diwani is in chants. I've sung in Punjabi, and I've also sung this melody that you just heard, Tum Chale Aao. So there's 2 or 3 different styles that you'll hear. So it's pop, it's soft rock, and it's mostly all great melodies. And Anand Raji can tell you more about all other things that we've covered in it.
Actually, I want to ask you. You have got so many जो बहुत अच्छे कलाकार होते हैं आपने उनसे गवाया है. How easy or difficult was it, because it's her passion to be singing. How difficult or easy was it to be working with her?
क्योंकि बहुत अच्छी कलाकार थी.
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी कलाकार है.
दरअसल अच्छी बात क्या थी कि when I was approached to make this album, तो I would definitely like to कुछ ऐसा चांस बना. मैं न्यूयॉर्क आया तो मुझे वहाँ पर I had to tell her कि let's have a voice test first. I want to listen your voice on the mic.
Really difficult thing actually.
I hardly can imagine what chemistry will come out of just talking to you and just humming like this. I'll give you a small melody and you sing it on the mic. And we booked a studio. And just in 3 minutes, I said we are doing it.
Wow, very nice.
Because the first song was तुमको तन्हाइयाँ बुलाती हैं तुम चले आओ. So this was the first line, तुमको तन्हाइयाँ बुलाती. So the moment I saw that compassion, that longing, जो feel चाहिए था, that was given perfectly. Sometimes you just render the words, sometimes you sing the words, but sometimes you sing the feel. That feeling was very correct. So I said, okay, let's proceed. Then further we started thinking about there must be some commercial numbers, dance numbers. Okay.
Wow, very nice. So basically उन्होंने आपको बहुत tough time दिया है.
So I always was a singer. I've learnt music since childhood. I've trained under Ahmed Hussain, Mohammed Hussain. So I've learnt classical music. So it wasn't a transition for me because I was already an artist. Business came later. So in fact, I learned business later in life. But I started singing on radio at the age of 5. So I've been singing for many years.
Okay, some more questions that we can have.
Anybody else? Yes.
Yes.
Hi, Poonam.
Hi.
How Indian music or indie pop music received?
Indian pop is loved a lot, especially Bollywood pop is loved a lot. They cannot understand the high-pitched songs that we have in our country. But if something is modern, they like it, and they try to infuse it in their songs. So Bollywood pop has found a place in not just New York, in the United States, in the music world.
But when you were singing, for your business colleagues, for your colleagues, where you're working, was it like what is this happening suddenly? Like, is this woman going to be serious about her work? Like, only her passion is going to take over? How was it?
Actually, I'm very serious about everything I do. So there was no question about me leaving one and doing another one, because when I do something, I do it right and I do it perfectly. That's the way I am. So when I decided that I'm going to make this album, it had to be perfect, and that's why I requested him, and I asked him, the perfectionist, to come and do his magic. And
nice.
He did.
I can see the magic wand actually going on the screen and sizzling in it. But actually, do Americans actually like Indian music? Because I'm just going to add up a little there. Like, she was asking you, have you found a place, Indian music, or are we still struggling to find place up there?
Well, I shall say that we are not in the top 100 of Billboard dance charts, but of course there is influence of Indian music, like Punjabi MC. You'll see his influence in many songs. You'll see Missy Elliott. You know, she's using a lot of Indian rhythms. And even will.i.am is using a lot. Black Eyed Peas, you know, when they do stuff, they have a lot going on, Indian rhythms and everything. So definitely, Indian music, in particular Bollywood pop, is influencing.
Influences there.
Influence is there. Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
serious influence.
Wow. Yes, some more. Yeah, there.
Yeah.
Hi.
Any particular Indian singer you would like to work with?
That's a very tough question because I would like to work with so many. I would like to work with someone who can actually complement my voice. So perhaps someone like Arjit Singh or Sonu Nigam, depending on the kind of music, I would like to work with either one of them.
Wow. So who is your inspiration? Who do you look up to when it comes to singing?
I don't think I have one particular inspiration. I try to get my inspiration from the East and the West.
Okay.
So from the Western world, I like, you know, dance stuff. Like I like Afrojack a lot. I like Calvin Harris a lot. From the Indian, I like his music a lot. That's why I wanted to do my music. Especially when I decided I want to do Punjabi.
Yeah.
You know,
Nobody better than him. Him can kill that genre.
yeah,
so
and
well.
since I was going to make a dance album, I wanted it to be Punjabi, I wanted it to be hot, and I wanted it to be foot tapping and sexy, and he gave it all.
Better than him. But tell me, who do you actually inspire, or you know, is there some inspiring singer that maybe old-time singer, some old-era singer, Mohammed Rafi, or somebody? Because as you said, that you've learned Indian classical
Your
music
mother
also.
also used to sing.
Yes, my mother was a singer, and she really is my inspiration in music.
Very good.
My desire for music comes through her.
Through her.
My training was because of her, and today I would like to thank Stardust especially to give us this opportunity, and of course my mom, as she's not here with us anymore, but.
But you know, when mom is inspiring you, I think there cannot be any more inspiration than that. I
Yeah.
know, because how inspiring moms
Yeah,
can be.
that's right.
Any more questions? Yes.
Hi Poonam.
Hi.
You look really fit. Tell us the secret of your fitness. What is it?
Well, there is no shortcuts to looking good. So I would say you have to eat healthy, sleep on time, and take care of yourself. Take care of your body. Take care of your health. And it's very important to eat the right diet. Unusual, avoid fried food. Get into the gym. 45 minutes a day. Get into that gym. It's
Any
important.
particular diet that you follow?
There is no such particular diet. I love to eat. I'm a foodie.
Well,
If
I
you
can't
follow
see
me,
that. Nobody will believe it that she's a
if you
foodie.
follow me, you'll see the only thing I really post is about restaurants to eat and foods to eat, and so I eat a lot. But I also exercise and kind of balance it out.
Well, very nice, yes.
Hi Poonam.
Hi.
The video seemed really interesting. Could you tell us about the choreography and how you got Bosco season on board?
We wanted a choreographer for our video that would actually make these songs that were so beautiful come alive on screen. And through my brother, we somehow got Bosco Caesar to come in and do this, and they were very excited to do the project, and we actually shot the whole thing in Spain, and we worked with the performers and dancers from Spain. So mostly the entire crew that you see and the dancers with me are from Spain, and they did a great job in creating this beautiful foot tapping numbers.
Wow. Then we have one more question.
Hi.
How did you make it as a singer, and how welcoming was the industry?
How welcoming was the industry to the music?
Newcomers.
To newcomers here.
I think overall, isn't it very difficult for because you come from a very different field altogether, to break in that path wherever you are? Isn't it very difficult? Because apparently there are so many. I mean, how?
Now market is very open.
Yeah.
A song on YouTube, even some producer likes, and they say